Hello guys, Mr. Santos here. In today's video, we're going to learn how to design a Game Boy style model in Onshape. This is a simple design. There will be no working buttons or screen in this video. This model is perfect for a keychain, decoration, or small gift. Before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family, especially anyone who wants to learn 3D design. Alright, let's get started. First, create a new document and name it Gameboy. Once the studio loads, press N to set the view normal. Press P to hide all planes. Show only the top plane, then press F to fit the view to the screen. Click Sketch and select the top plane. Since the Game Boy has a rectangular shape, select Center Point Rectangle. Draw a rectangle roughly the size you think a Game Boy should be. We'll adjust the dimensions next. For the top width, set it to about 2.7 inches. This gives us a clean, sleek design. Now click Extrude and extrude the body 1 inch or less if you want a slimmer model. If you want to continue working on the front face, press N, click Sketch, and select the top face of the rectangle. Now let's add the buttons. I'll be using a reference image on the screen for accuracy. Start by placing the A and B buttons on the right side. Next, create the D-pad on the left side. Below that, add the Select and Start buttons. This is our basic layout. The screen will sit near the top. Adjust the positions, move the screen up slightly, move the D-pad down, and resize elements until everything looks balanced. Now let's add constraints. Select the parallel constraint and apply it to the appropriate lines. Use the equal constraint to make matching lines and circles the same size. Do this for the D-pad so all sides are equal and symmetrical. Next, under Offset, select the Slot tool. If you can't find it, click Search Tools and type Slot. Create 2 slots and set their width to about 0.1 inches. Adjust their spacing so they resemble the real Game Boy design. You can add text if you want. Make sure the text is parallel to the button layout. Since text can't rotate with constraints, use Transform, then Rotate. Rotate the text about 20 degrees so it lines up properly. Do the same for both the A and B labels. Use the equal constraint so the text sizing matches and position it neatly under the buttons. Now let's round the corners. Search for Sketch Fillet. Apply a fillet of about 0.6 inches to the corners. Click Confirm. Double-click Sketch 1 and apply the same fillet there for consistency. Now we'll start extruding. First, extrude the buttons and D-pad. Set the extrusion height to 0.15 inches. Show the sketch again. Extrude the Select and Start buttons to 0.1 inches. Next, extrude the screen to 0.05 inches. Go to Sketch 2. Select the screen shape, press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V to copy and paste it. Align it with the center point, scale it down slightly, and confirm. We'll use this copy to create a border around the screen. Offset the shape by 0.05 inches on all sides. Confirm, and now you'll see a clean screen border. Now let's apply fillets. Select the Fillet tool. Fillet the buttons at 0.05 inches. Fillet the screen at 0.01 inches. Fillet the screen border at 0.02 inches. Finally, fillet the edges of the Game Boy body. Select the front and back edges and apply a fillet of about 0.1 inches. And that's it. You now have a Game Boy style model, ready to customize, color, and print. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. God bless you.